Dino Wesson. This is my fourth and last video for the day. Fourth unboxing. Let me get right into it with y'all. This is Dino Wesson fam. If y'all ain't never been to the channel, box different clothes, shoes. I'm new to this, so if y'all have anything to add, critique, let me know. Tell me what y'all like. Tell me what y'all don't like. Give me ideas. Subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Hey, let me know. I'm open to advice. It's the shoe community. I like shoes like y'all like shoes, so let's keep it going. I appreciate what y'all doing out there, liking, viewing the video. My subscribers that I got, shout out to y'all. They got this thing on YouTube where some of these subscribers are the subscribers are I don't know what the name of my subscribers are, so if I know your name, I'll call y'all by name if that's what y'all wanted. But hey, let's get into this video. I'll see the orange shining from the bottom. Yeah, I have an idea what this is. Let's get into it. Let's see what we got here. Alright, bam. It's a Nike box. Alright, let's see. It's a Nike Air Force 270. Okay, I remember getting a notification, and I think I received what was it called? Unlocked. I think it was unlocked for me, and I saw it. I thought it was dope. I was looking at this model for a while, so I decided to jump on it. And all right, y'all, let me know what y'all think about these. Dang, y'all see what this is? It's that 270 that just dropped not too long ago. I'm gonna say a week ago. All right, should I give y'all a review on these? Material, I have to get back with y'all. I don't know this material is, but so far, first impression, these are 670. These are dope. It has the clear bottom, the clear sole unit at the bottom. This air unit at the bottom. This pretty much has this I want to say chalk white or gray, more gray color at the bottom. All white midsole. Kind of looked like shoes was rubbing together, but nothing too serious. All white midsole. There's a difference between the two whites on this side that I can see more clearly. It's a little difference between the two. But yeah, I can see a difference. It's like a furry suede, I want to say. The toe box of the shoe. It is a different material. It almost look 3M, but I'm not sure exactly that's what this is. The shoestrings are grayish color. The strap has an orange little pull tab right here. It has like that off-white style, dark gray, really close to this gray. Might be the same gray. And these 3M gray stripes right here that goes striped across this whole strap. These eyelets right here. I think this is a plastic. And yeah, man, these are dope to me. So what y'all think about these? Let me in the comments box. Open them up. These look comfortable. I can't wait to put my feet into these. They look comfortable. There's the Nike branding right here on the tongue. Has a little tongue tab right here. Same thing right here. Let me show y'all what the insole look like. Just the Nike Air branding right here on the tongue. It is that gray color, pretty much all throughout the inside of the insole, around the sock liner right here. I didn't really realize it was this kind of material, but it's kind of loose around the the sock liner. Here's a pull tab. The Air Force 270 right here. The Air Force 270 right here on the pull tab. Same thing that's right above the toe box is right here. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly what that is. I don't think it's 3M, but I will let y'all know. Y'all let me know. Um, what's the name of these materials? The names of these fabrics. Like I said, the air unit in the back looks pretty dope. Nike, Nike branding right here, and also right here, Nike branding on. It's not the swoosh, but it just says Nike at the bottom. It's an all over a solid shoe, guys. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. Tell me what y'all think about it. Get in the comments about it. Let me know how y'all feel about them. Get y'all close up. I like this tag. This jumbo, this like rubbery type air. It's like an air unit tag. This is dope. This is dope. This is dope, y'all. Now tell me what y'all think about this. I'm gonna give y'all a close look at it. All right, move it up. I like that tab. That tab is pretty dope. A little unit toe. Just 10.5. So it's an overall solid shoe, guys. Tell me what y'all think about it. I don't think this is gonna be my last 270. I actually like it. In hand, in person, I like this. So y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. Y'all get in the comment box, like, give me feedback, dislike, tell me what I can improve. Refer, share with a friend. Let's build this channel up, guys. I love this. I love y'all. I love the shoe fan. I like what Nike is doing. I'm excited. I love doing this. So if y'all give me the feedback, I'm gonna take it in and grow. I can only grow and get better. So y'all let me know. Like I said, subscribe, like, comment, dislike, subscribe, give me some feedback, share, refer to a friend. Let's build it up. Let's do this, you guys. Like I said, Dino Wesson, gone.